Where does all the broken jewellery go? Every week, we take in 300 to 350 kilograms of used precious metal. Here at Cooksongold, we turn scrap gold into shiny fresh wire and sheet for the jewellery industry. All that scrap gold you send in gets weighed, sorted and inspected. We're talking everything from outdated rings to those random bits of gold you didn't even know were gold. Every little piece matters because gold is super precious. Once we've got it all accounted for, it's time to melt it down. Our factory needs scrap to make our in-house recycled precious metals. The gold is placed in a high temperature furnace and melted down into a molten, glowing pool. The process can be extremely dangerous and labour intensive, so we're careful to take every precaution. We combine traditional techniques with state-of-the-art technology, and every single one of our team members is a skilled technician trained in their specific sector. Refining gets rid of all the impurities. Pure gold is super soft, so it's not ideal for most jewellery. Adding in other metals to the gold gives us the durability and colours we need. Making these products in our UK Birmingham factory means that we can control the quality of both the alloy and the finished product. Once the alloy is ready, the gold gets poured into moulds and cooled into solid bars. Those bars are then rolled, stretched and shaped into thin sheets and wires, perfect for jewellers to work their magic. This is where scrap gold officially transforms into a brand new material, ready to become beautiful wearable art. And there you have it, your old, forgotten gold is now shiny, fresh wire and sheet, ready for the jewellery industry. It could become a sparkling ring, a delicate necklace, or even a bold bracelet. It's recycling, but make it luxury. Next time you find that old gold you don't want anymore, don't throw it away, send it in. You'll be part of this amazing journey, helping to give gold a second chance while supporting sustainable practices in the jewellery industry. Who knew your broken bracelet could be this inspiring? For more precious metal and jewellery making videos, click to subscribe.